Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be making food in the Mr. T. And you may be thinking, well, doesn't only liquid come out of here? And every other video up to this point has been about the liquid that comes out of the machine. But there's another aspect to a coffee machine that you might not have thought of. What if you put water through something, but the water is the byproduct, and the real treasure is what's on top inside of, the pot that holds the coffee grains. And so that's the whole premise behind today's video, because I'm going to be putting some lovely, great value macaroni and cheese inside of here, and who knows, maybe it'll make it nice and cooked and taste like macaroni and cheese. And then we'll also have some byproduct macaroni and cheese water to try. Let's see, let's put our filter in here. And so the water has to do two things. It has to A, heat up the pasta, which I think will be the easy part. I think it'll heat it up well enough. The whole thing gets pretty hot. But the second thing is it has to get it soggy enough to be eatable and not just be hard. So if I pour in enough, I don't want to pour in too many noodles because, you pour in too many, they're going to expand. It's a whole thing. This is meant for people to consume out of like a big pot, not a little tiny one of these. In fact, this might even be too much, but I'm going to go with it anyways. And then we got to take out our cheese. I'm sure it's the most real of cheese. Oh, yes, the realest cheese. Oh no. And I'm just going to put in all the cheese. Even though I'm only putting in, a quarter of the noodles, I'm going to put in all the cheese because the more cheese, the more better. And I believe in the cheese. So we're going full hog. We got all the cheese in there. Yeah. Okay. So let's put her in, close her up, and brew. I think it appears we have a bit of an issue here. If we take a look inside, there's a little bit of water bunched up on the top and a little bit of water left. So I guess this is as far as we can go with this unless we want to wait 100,000 years. I suspect it has something to do with the cheese. Alright, let's take out the macaroni and cheese and see what it looks like. Oh dear. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it out of this, but I gotta pour out the liquid. Oh. Well, there's the yellow water. And here's the macaroni and cheese. Yummy. Okay, well, have a fork here. Oh god, the cheese is still hard on the inside. It almost seems like you gotta mix it. That's good. Okay, let's just try to get some macaroni from the side here. That looks like it got nice and wet. Bottoms up. Cheers. Bon appetit. That's a rock. Oh, there's so much cheese. Yeah, this macaroni is rock hard. A little too cheesy for my taste. But that's okay. That's okay. It still isn't a total loss because we still have the cheese water. Okay. Okay, what does it smell like? It smells vaguely of macaroni and cheese, like if someone's having it in their room over or something. Well, hopefully it just tastes like very real cheese. Oh, okay, if I had to describe the taste, it tastes like salt water plus must. Like if you took salt water, it kind of tastes funny. Like it doesn't even taste how you'd expect it to taste. You added like armpit juice, like a drop, just one drop for the flavoring. Not good, not good at all. The macaroni and cheese, very bad. The cheese juice, better because it wasn't crunchy. But that's not a high standard. I regret this decision. I realize I still have the brewing turned on. That's good. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.